How to sign up with Amazon affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be quickly talking about how you can sign up for the Amazon affiliate program in a few seconds. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the affiliate-program.amazon.com, or just go on your Google and write Amazon Associates. Now, once you do that, obviously it's going to bring you here to their associate program. They have 3 steps, sign up, recommend, earn. So to sign up, all you're going to do is you're going to click on the sign up button over here. Now, first of all, obviously, as you can see over here, you're going to make sure you have a sign up Amazon account. Okay. And once you have a proper Amazon sign up account, all you're going to do is you're going to come over to the Associate Central, where it's going to give you a widget like this. Okay. And it's going to give you a whole description like this, where it's going to say, creating your Amazon Associates account, etc. It's going to give you the whole look and how it's going to, seem like. You're going to put in the payee name, your address. You're going to put in your website, app, mobile list. You're going to give them your verification, which is going to be a big part. And once you do all that, that is how you're going to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.